This training video reviews how to properly remove a steel panel for collision repair. As always, proper safety equipment should be utilized. To access OEM spot welds, first remove seam sealer and coatings. A Norton rapid strip disc is optimal to achieve this step. For hard-to-reach areas, use a coarse grit Norton Beartex file belt. Next, remove any spot welds. Use a Norton Blaze 1/2-inch P60 grit file belt to remove spot welds from the damaged part. Be sure to use a back and forth horizontal motion to reduce heat and maintain the integrity of the non-damaged inner panel. Once the spot welds are removed, separate the two panels with tools that will minimize damage to the inner panel. If a weld is not completely eliminated, go back to the previous step and repeat if necessary. Once the outer panel has been detached, next remove any coatings or spot weld materials from the mating flange by using a Norton Blaze 3-inch P60 or P80 grit Speed Lock TR disc.